So make sure you watch this video from start to finish so that you're going to know the way I did the ventilating, the way I braid the air, and the way I do the gallery, the way I join the pants, the way I did everything, trim and all. So guys, make sure you watch from start to finish. This is Ebony Style. As usual guys, you're welcome back to my channel Ebony Style. So make sure you like, make sure you share, and make sure you subscribe to my beautiful channel, and I'll be right back. So guys, this is the air I'll be using. This is the frontal air I'll be using for this particular video. I've done a previous video on how to make a frontal using an attachment, and I said it earlier in that video that I'll be using the frontal to make a braided wig, and this is the braided. This is the video I promised you guys. So guys, make sure I'll drop the link in my description box, so make sure you go and watch that video so that you know how I did the ventilating. So this is when I've done almost all the weaving, so I'll just tell you how I did everything. So now I'm just removing the edges from the hair, instead of me plaiting all and later ventilating the edges. But in this video I decided not to do that, so I just removed the edges, like the front side, from the hair already, so I won't have to start ventilating it when I'm done with the hair again. I hope you understand guys. So this is the style I'll be using. I'll be doing, they call it 7-7, I don't know. I just scratched the what's it called, I've seen the hair, yes, I've seen the hair on people's hair, making it not as a wig but making it on their own hair, on their own scalp. So I was now thinking like I actually made this hair on you as a wig, so that's where I got the idea from. So if you get a ventilating frontal net, you can actually do any type of style. Even if it's a full lace net, you can actually do any type of style you wanted. So any type of style you want, yeah. So make sure you go ahead and watch that ventilating video for more understanding. So now I start joining attachments to it like this. I didn't join much attachment because I'm already dealing with attachments already. So that's the advantage of using attachments to ventilate it. You won't use more or more attachments when joining it. And I start braiding it like a braided, like weaving, the way they braid Ghana weaving, and I did it in a stitch way, like stitch, like the attachments will not be showing. Ghana weaving, the attachments you join will be showing. So stitch style, I think you understand. That's what I'm doing. I added attachment to it, and that attachment I hide it in between the hair, so it was not showing. So that's it. And please, another thing I want to say is that when you are doing the weaving, make sure the net is tight on the canvas head. Any type of head you are using, make sure the net is tight, it's not folding, so that when you are braiding this hair, when you are plaiting it, it won't fold together. I just hope you understand. So make sure the hair is firm on the canvas head. Use T-pin to pin it down, and you can use safety pin, any type of pin to pin it down, and make sure it is firm. You can see that I've been braiding since I just added attachment just at the front side. So that's the advantage when you use attachments to ventilate. And I said it, go back to my description box and go and watch the way I ventilate this frontal net, because I'll be dropping it in my description box so that you can go ahead and watch it guys. So this is when I've finished plaiting the frontal side. You can see the type of frontal I use is a larger size the 1336 frontal net, the largest size. You can actually go to for the medium small size, but I went for the largest size, and you can see how big it is. So, and the essence of this is largest size, you are going to do it conveniently. It's not as if you are managing any space, and even the back side will not be much. Like the braid I'll be doing at the back, you can see it's not much. And here I've attached, like I've joined the frontal to the cap, and you can see the cap is still showing at the down part. I'm still going to cut it, so I'll still show you that later. And here I've already, sorry if you cannot hear me very well, rain is pouring here, so guys, so this is when I've done all the braids at the back side. You can see it's not scanty and it's not much. It's not much and it's not scanty, and the reason why is that the front hair is still going to cover the back side, and if this hair is heavy, you will not enjoy it. The customer you are making it for will not enjoy it, but that doesn't mean that you should make it scanty. Please don't make it scanty. So this is when I've cut the cap at the front side, just the front side group. So that's what I've cut it. You know, I've said I've joined it together, and then I've joined the bands to it also. I've joined the bands to it, so I'll just go ahead and pour hot water on this hair. Just hot water, guys, just hot water, guys. So guys, this is how the hair is looking after pouring hot water. You can see the left side, the right side is just giving, the hair is giving what it's meant to give. It's giving 10 times 10 over 10 minus nothing, 10 times 10 times 10 times 1 million minus nothing. So my even my telling me they want this, they are telling me they want hair. So if you actually like this hair and you want it, just I'll drop my WhatsApp now, and if it's not, even if it's not this time, you want another time, go and go stressing yourself making it. I'm here for you, please. I'm here, I'll make it for you. So guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my beautiful channel. I love you guys, and you can actually start a business with this hair. Yes, I did, and you can also do that. Also start a business making braided wigs. All the braided wigs I make on this channel is either for a customer or for my YouTube video for me to sell them. So guys, you can just go ahead, start a business, make it for your friends, make it for yourself, and if you want me to make it for you, I'm always at your doorstep. So guys, you are just a DM me. Make sure you like, share and subscribe. Yes, thank you guys, I love you. And what else do I want to say? I don't have anything to say again. Thank you guys. And you can see the hair is giving, it's giving. So see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.